English Leap Podcast. English for daily life.
Hi everyone, welcome back to English for Daily Life. If you're learning English for real conversations, you are in the right place.
And before we start, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and join us for more simple English lessons for everyday life.
I am Maria.
And I am Alex.
Today, we are going to learn the past simple. But don't worry, this will not feel like a boring grammar class.
Exactly. Today we will use real conversations, simple stories, and a little mystery.
A little mystery?
Yes, yesterday something happened to me. I was late, I lost something important, and I had to talk to a stranger in English.
That sounds interesting. What happened?
I will tell you, but slowly. And while I tell the story, you will learn how to use the past simple naturally.
So stay with us until the end, because by the end of this episode, you will be able to say what you did yesterday, what you didn't do, and ask questions about the past.
And you will also learn common mistakes, like why we say I didn't go and not I didn't went.
Let's begin with one simple idea. Past simple helps us talk about finished actions in the past. When we talk about something finished, we often use the past simple.
For example, if I say I watched a movie yesterday, the action is finished. It happened yesterday.
And if Alex says, I went to the store last night, that also happened in the past. It is finished now.
So today, every time you hear words like yesterday, last night, last weekend, or 2 days ago, think past simple.
Okay, Alex, now I want to hear the story. You said something happened yesterday.
Yes, yesterday morning started normally. I woke up at 7, made coffee, checked my phone, and got ready for work.
That sounds normal so far.
It was, but then I looked at the time. It was already 8:15.
Oh no, were you late?
Yes, I was. I left the apartment quickly, but then I realized something terrible.
What did you realize?
I didn't have my wallet.
That is stressful.
Very stressful. I checked my bag, my jacket, and my pockets, but I didn't find it.
Listen to all those past simple verbs. Woke up, made, checked, got ready, looked, left, realized, checked, found.
Some are regular, like checked and realized. Some are irregular, like woke up, made, left, and found.
Let's stop for a moment and put this on the whiteboard. Many regular verbs take ed in the past. Check becomes checked, watch becomes watched, clean becomes cleaned.
But some verbs are irregular. They change. Wake up becomes woke up. Make becomes made. Go becomes went.
You do not need to memorize everything today. Start with common verbs you use in daily life.
Yes, for example, I woke up, I made coffee, I went to work, I found my keys.
Let's practice with very simple sentences. Repeat after us.
I woke up at 7. I made coffee. I checked my phone. I left the house. I went to work. I watched a video. I cooked dinner.
Good, now let's make it a little more natural.
Yesterday, I woke up at 7 and made coffee.
Last night, I watched a movie and relaxed.
Last weekend, I visited my parents and cooked dinner.
This is how you can speak in real life. Simple sentences, clear verbs, real actions. Okay, back to the story. You lost your wallet. What did you do next?
I called a taxi, but then I remembered I didn't have cash. I didn't have my card. I didn't have anything.
So you didn't take the taxi?
No, I didn't take the taxi. I walked to the bus station.
Did you buy a bus ticket?
I tried, but I didn't have my wallet, so I couldn't buy a ticket.
This is a perfect moment for the negative form in past simple.
Yes, in the negative, we use didn't plus the base verb.
Let's show it clearly. After didn't, we use the base form of the verb.
So we do not say I didn't went, we say I didn't go. We do not say I didn't bought, we say I didn't buy. This is one of the most important rules in past simple. Didn't already shows the past, so the main verb stays simple.
Let's practice. Repeat after us.
I didn't go out. I didn't watch TV. I didn't buy coffee. I didn't sleep well. I didn't find my wallet.
Now, you try one sentence about yesterday. You can say, I didn't cook, I didn't study, I didn't go outside.
Keep it simple. Simple is good.
So, Alex, you were at the bus station without your wallet. What happened next?
A woman saw me looking stressed. She asked, "Are you okay?"
And what did you say?
I said, "I lost my wallet. I don't know what to do."
Did she help you?
Yes, she did. She was very kind.
Did she give you money?
Not exactly. She helped me buy a digital ticket on my phone.
That was nice.
Yes, and this is where questions in past simple become very useful. We ask questions with did plus subject plus base verb. Let's put that on the board.
In questions, we use did at the beginning. Then the subject. You, he, she, they.
And then the base verb. Did you go? Did she help you? Did they call? Not did you went, because did already shows the past.
For short answers, we say, yes, I did. No, I didn't. Let's practice fast questions. Alex, answer naturally. Did you wake up early yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Did you find your wallet at home?
No, I didn't.
Did the woman help you?
Yes, she did.
Did you arrive at work on time?
No, I didn't. I arrived late. Now, listener, answer in your head. Did you watch a movie yesterday? Did you cook dinner? Did you go outside?
You can answer with, yes, I did, or no, I didn't. I like this because past simple is not just grammar. It helps us tell small stories.
Exactly. Most daily conversations are small stories. What did you do yesterday? What happened at work? Did you enjoy your weekend?
Let's do a natural conversation. Imagine two friends talking after work.
Great, I'll start. Hey Maria, how was your day yesterday?
It was busy, but good. I woke up early, answered emails, and had 2 meetings in the morning.
Did you have lunch at work?
No, I didn't. I went to a small cafe near the office. I ordered soup and a sandwich.
That sounds nice. Did you like the soup?
Yes, I did. It was really good. What about you? What did you do after the wallet situation?
I arrived at work late, but my manager understood. I explained everything and she said, "Don't worry."
That's good.
Later, I called the coffee shop near my apartment. I asked, "Did anyone find a wallet there?" The person on the phone paused for a few seconds.
Oh, suspense.
Yes. Then he said, "Can you describe it?"
So maybe they found it.
Maybe. I described the wallet, black, small, with a blue card inside.
What did he say?
He said, "I think we have it."
Nice.
But I wasn't sure. So after work, I went back to the coffee shop.
This is a great example of past simple storytelling. You are not only saying grammar sentences, you are creating a sequence. I called, I asked, he paused, I described it, he said, I went back.
And that is how people speak naturally.
Now let's talk about common mistakes. And if you make these mistakes, it's okay. Many learners make them.
The first mistake is using the past form after didn't.
For example, I didn't went.
The correct sentence is, I didn't go.
Another mistake is using the past form after did in questions.
Did you watch the movie?
The correct question is, did you watch the movie?
Another common mistake is forgetting the past form in affirmative sentences.
For example, yesterday I go to work.
The correct sentence is, yesterday I went to work.
The big rule is, did and didn't are followed by the base verb.
Did you go? I didn't go. Did you watch? I didn't watch.
But in affirmative sentences, you need the past form. I went, I watched, I bought, I saw.
Do not worry about being perfect. Practice with the verbs you use every day.
Okay, Alex, we need the final part of the story. Did you find your wallet?
I went back to the coffee shop after work. I opened the door, walked to the counter and said, "Hi, I called earlier about a wallet." The man smiled and took out a small black wallet.
Was it yours?
Yes, it was. I checked inside and everything was there.
That is such a relief.
Yes, I thanked him, bought a coffee, and went home happy. Perfect story for past simple. Went, opened, walked, said, smiled, took, was, checked, thanked, bought. And now it is your turn, listener. Answer these questions out loud if you can.
What did you do yesterday? Did you go outside yesterday? What did you eat for dinner last night? Did you watch anything yesterday? Did you learn something new today?
Try to answer with simple sentences. For example, I worked yesterday. I ate pasta. I didn't watch a movie. I learned past simple.
And now, one shadowing practice. Repeat after us.
Yesterday I woke up early. I made coffee. I went to work. I didn't go out at night. Did you have a good day? Yes, I did. No, I didn't.
Great job. Today, you learned how to use the past simple for real conversations.
You learned affirmative sentences like I went, I watched, I cooked.
You learned negative sentences like I didn't go, I didn't watch, I didn't buy.
And you learned questions like did you go? Did you like it? Did she help you?
Remember, you don't need to speak perfectly. Start with small, real sentences about your life.
Before you go, please like this video and subscribe to English for Daily Life if you want more simple English lessons for real conversations.
And write one sentence in the comments. What did you do yesterday?
For example, I worked yesterday. I watched a movie. I cooked dinner. I didn't go out.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.